Since 1997, Exacta Dental Direct has been developing restorative dental supplies for dentists who make cosmetic crowns and bridges.
Exacta Dental was started about 14 years ago by one of the co-founders of the company, John Pankow, who is the president of the company today. And he had an idea to improve on a type of product that was in the dental marketplace, and it's called a dental impression tray. And he redesigned it and made it better, and that product really got our company off the ground.
By selling restorative dental supplies direct to dentists, Exacta stays close to its customers.
Customer service is extremely important to us because we go direct and we don't go through distributors. When they pick up the phone and call us, that's really their only method of getting information about Exacta, and we try to leave each call with a smile.
When it comes to packaging Exacta products, Exacta knows that its medical devices must meet the highest regulatory standards.
We always try to keep our clinicians' needs in mind, and we try to design products which allow them to operate faster, better, and with less overhead costs than some of our competitors. By going direct and selling direct to dentists, we can cut out the middleman and save our customers usually in the range of 30 to 40%.
Packaging is also important as a way of communicating Exacta's value to its customers.
It's extremely important not only to have the right label on the right product, but to have accurate information on the product. The FDA considers labeling of a product the same as a product, so if there's misinformation on a label, it would be essentially the same offense of having bad or poor product. Our product packaging is extremely important because as a direct company, we need the customers to remember where they purchased the product. And so by creating a well-designed, colorful, bright label, we're able to capture the attention a little bit more than a lot of the standard plain white labels that other companies use. And we hope that our product packaging sets our product apart a little bit more than most of our competition.
Buying printed labels for each of its many label formats was expensive for Exacta Dental.
We're spending a large amount of our packaging budget on labels for the various products that we have, and we thought that there might be a better alternative for us out there. And so we started doing research just through the internet and asking around from other companies, and we found the Quick Label website and sent in a request for more information, and we were contacted immediately.
Exacta Dental considered buying the Vivo label printer, but first they studied the projected return on investment.
Before purchasing the Vivo printer, we really wanted to make sure we were making a wise decision financially. And so what we did is took a look at our cost per label for the number of different products that we used, and we analyzed both what the machine would cost as well as the consumable supplies. And we found that we were able to save almost a dime per label compared to the commercial printing solution that we were using previously. And when we print off 20 or so thousand labels a week, that savings got up quickly.
After they made the decision to purchase the Vivo, it wasn't long before Exacta Dental was up and running, printing its own labels. Now, the Vivo label printer is an integral part of Exacta's packaging process.
We run about 20,000 labels a week through the Vivo printer, and we use that for a variety of packaging methods. We print out labels that go around the cartridges of our impression materials and temporary materials. We print out labels that are used on the exterior boxes, and we were able to customize a variety of labels to use just in terms of product sampling and other marketing opportunities.
Exacta Dental has made good use of the Vivo label printer. But has it achieved its projected return on investment?
The Vivo has absolutely, without question, saved us tens of thousands of dollars over the past 2 or 3 years as we are able to run short supplies of the labels we need rather than having to purchase them from a commercial printer in fairly large minimum order quantities. We've been able to save money through running short-run batches of the labels that we need for our different product variants. And so while we have a few product lines, we've got many variants within those product lines. And previously we had to keep an inventory of a large amount of labels from a commercial printer that cost substantially more than the Vivo system. Now we're able to run what we need when we need it.
Vivo label printing, only from Quick Label Systems.